Now let us discuss about the crypto games show diversity with respect to their habitats, algae, fungi, bryophytes, and pterophytes. First of all, algae. Algae, which are universal occurrence and they are found in a variety of habitats. For example, aquatic algae. Aquatic algae, which is found in fresh and marine water. The main groups of algae found in streams are the green algae, example chlorophyta, red algae, example rhodophyta, blue green algae, example cyanobacteria, and diatoms, example Basilaria These are all aquatic algae. Now, terrestrial algae, which is found in soil, rocks, logs, tree trunks, and moist walls. Such forms of algae that grow on or in soil, which are called soil or terrestrial algae, or edapophytes. For example, Vaucheria, Otridium, Zygnema, Udogonium, Nostoc, etc. etc. Now, the algae occur in uncommon habitats and named differently. For example, epiphytic algae. Epiphytic algae grow on other larger algae, bryophytes or angiosperms. Examples: coleochaete and rhodiumia. Now another type of algae, epizoic algae, which grows on animals like snails, fishes, and tortoises. Example: here, Cladophora crisposa algae grows on snakes. Stegioclonium algae grow on the gills of fishes. These are epizoic algae. Now, endozoic algae, which is grown inside the tissues of animals. For example, Euglenomorpha, Zoochlorellae, Zooxanthellae, Cafteria, etc. Chlorella-like algae are found living within Paramecium, Hydra, and certain mollusks and sponges. Now, symbiotic algae. Here, in symbiotic algae, which is association with fungi, bryophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Both sea anemones and corals are exclusively marine. Sea anemones are known to have symbiotic algae living within their gastrodermal cells. Some sea anemones contain both zooxanthellae and zoochlorellae, which is single-celled green algae. An example of sea anemone containing both species is Anthopleura xanthogrammica. Now, cryophytic algae. What is meant by cryophytic algae? Which is grown in, which is growing on ice or snow. An organism that can live in ice and snow. Most cryophytes are algae, including the green algae Chlamydomonas nivalis and some diatoms, but they also include Deinomastigotes, certain mosses, bacteria, and fungi. Now another type, lithophytic algae. Lithophytic algae growing on moist rocks and stones. For example, lithophytes include several Paphiopedilum, orchids, ferns, many algae and liverworts. Now another type, parasitic algae. Parasitic algae grows as parasites on many plants and animals. For example, cephalosaurs and Harvella are examples of parasitic algae. Now, fungi. Fungi, which are large and diverse group of plant kingdom in their habitat. Many species are seen with naked eyes. For example, mushrooms, puffballs, etc. And some others are microscopic. Now, aquatic fungi. Which type of fungi found in water upon algae and other aquatic plants, which is called aquatic fungi. Now, parasitic fungi. Parasitic fungi found on other host plants where they cause diseases in animals and human beings also causes diseases. Next, saprophytic fungi. Saprophytic fungi grow on dead and decaying organic matter. Symbiotic fungi, which is grown on other living organisms where both the where both are mutually benefited. Example, lichens and mycorrhizae. Now, bryophytes. The bryophytes occupy the position between algae and pteridophytes. As water is needed for the fertilization, they are treated as the amphibians of plant kingdom. Bryophytes found in moist, cool and shady places. Bryophytes found in the following places: aquatic, land, epiphyte and saprophyte. Now, aquatic bryophytes, which is inhabitants of water, example Marchamtia, Ixia. Land bryophytes, which are found in swampy, muddy, shady and humid places on land, for example mosses. Epiphytic bryophytes, which is grown on other plants as epiphytes, example epiphytic moss in Arthrotrichum species. Now, saprophytic bryophytes, which is grown upon organic matter such as rotted wood, example Buxbaumia aphylla. Now, pteridophytes, which is occupy the intermediate position in between bryophytes and phanerogams, which is known as vascular cryptogams. Now, pterido- now terrestrial pteridophytes, aquatic pteridophytes, and xerophytic pteridophytes. First of all, we discuss about terrestrial pteridophytes. Terrestrial pteridophytes, which is growing in moist and shady places, example Equisetum selaginella. Aquatic pteridophytes, which is growing in water, usually in ponds, example Azolla marsilia, etc. Xerophytic pteridophytes, which is growing in xeric condition, for example Selaginella equisetum examples. Thank you.